In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme to dark mode in Power BI Desktop. If you spend a lot of time building reports, switching the interface to dark mode can make your workspace easier on the eyes and improve focus, especially in low-light environments. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly where the setting lives and how to apply it with confidence. Start by opening Power BI Desktop. At the very top left of the window, look for the File menu. Go ahead and click it to open the main application menu. From there, move to the bottom left area of that menu and choose Options and Settings. This is where Power BI keeps most of the personalization and configuration controls that affect your experience in the app. Once you click that, select Options. That will open the Options window, which has a list of categories on the left and related settings on the right. In the left-hand list, navigate to Report Settings. This section includes a handful of preferences that shape how the workspace looks and behaves while you design reports. On the right, find the drop-down labeled Customize Appearance. Click the drop-down and change it to dark. You'll immediately see a preview of what the dark interface style will look like. When it's set the way you want, click OK to confirm and apply the change. That's it. Your Power BI desktop interface will switch to a dark theme, including menus, panes, and the canvas background around your report. If you work late or prefer a lower contrast environment, this setting can make a noticeable difference in comfort. A quick but important note: this change affects only the user interface of Power BI Desktop, not the visual theme of your actual report. Your report colors, visuals, and background remain exactly as they were. If you notice that the report itself still looks the same, that's expected. Those design choices are controlled separately. Think of dark mode as adjusting the studio lights for the editor, not repainting the artwork you're editing. If you ever want to go back to a lighter look, you can return to the same options window and switch the appearance again. Also, if your screen doesn't update immediately, give it a second after clicking. Okay. The interface refresh happens quickly, but it can vary slightly based on your system. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed Power BI Desktop to dark mode, making your workspace more comfortable and focused for your next reporting session.